G'day guys, welcome back to the Whiskey Throttle Club. So we've hit 1k subscribers, which is absolutely massive. So I just wanted to do a little moto vlog and just thank you guys. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I'm so appreciative of every single one of you, because I didn't think that I'd hit this milestone, to be honest with you. Every single like, comment, and you know, every subscriber, it actually means the world to me that people are engaging with my videos and you guys actually want to see what I'm putting out. So yeah, it's unreal. When I started this channel in 2020, honestly didn't think I would, you know, hit this sort of milestone. I pretty much got into making videos because I've always had a bit of a passion for videography and photography, and ever since I was a teenager, like, I was making just crappy little homemade skate videos with me and my mates, and I was always in photography. And then when I got my first bike, which was the Street 500, I actually stumbled across a channel in the States called Lane Split Boulevard, and they inspired me to make videos. And I had the bike at the time, and so yeah, I did a couple of little mods. Back then I obviously didn't know as much as I know now, and yeah, started making videos from then. Pretty much since then I've changed bikes, I've changed the name of the channel. So if you've seen some of my earlier videos, you'll probably know that I actually used to go under a different channel name. So I've been through a few iterations of, you know, branding, I guess you would say, and yeah, different bikes, and yeah, just basically I've been trying to improve my video quality for you guys, and I guess it seems to be working if I'm still getting people enjoying and throwing likes on the videos and whatnot. So a little bit of a backstory. I'm not going to tell you the original name of the channel, you'll have to go back and watch some old videos to see it, but the way I came up with the name the Whiskey Throttle Club, it was a bit of a weird one. So before I got onto street bikes or road bikes, I actually used to ride dirt bikes, and the very first time I hopped on it, sure enough, I bloody whiskey throttled and fell off the back of the thing. So that was like my first memory of riding motorbikes, and ever since then that sort of stuck with me. I feel like the whiskey throttling, everyone sort of knows what that's all about, and it's normally for beginners. So when I decided to change the YouTube channel name, I thought to myself, well, everyone sort of knows that beginners, you know, are more than likely to whiskey throttle, and I'm sort of making this channel all the DIYs and how-tos and stuff for people that are beginners and, you know, they want to learn new skills or how to do something or how to modify something. So it's sort of, you know, it sort of went hand in hand to me personally. I don't know if you guys think the same way or you just think it's a stupid name, but you know, let me know what you think in the comments. But yeah, so that's essentially how I came up with the name, the Whiskey Throttle Club. I've got a few big things planned for the bike in the future. I've already mentioned it in another Motovlogs-ish video that I'm planning on doing a Tassie trip at the start of next year. So I'm going to be documenting all of that. That's going to be maybe a 4 or 5 day trip. So I'll head over from here in Victoria and head over to Tasmania and just, yeah, do a big camping trip. See if a couple of the boys are keen to come over, and if not, I'm just going to end up doing it solo. So if you've done that trip before or you live over there, hit me up and let me know where I could go, what I should do, and if you want to, you know, jump in for a section of the camping trip or even just a day ride or whatever, let me know, because I'd love to make it happen. But I don't really have much else to say, to be honest. I just wanted to make a video and just thank you guys. So yeah, we hit 1,000 subscribers. I honestly appreciate it, guys. You guys absolutely killing it. I appreciate it. But I guess that's pretty much all I've got for now. So I just wanted to say once again, thank you. And like always, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.